Yes, the AirPods.
Do you see any speed on that kid?
No,
It's like a
there
fucking.
was no particles or anything, of speed or anything.
Wait. I don't know what kind of fucking particles those are. That kid was running like a fucking beast. I don't even know if they had fucking speed particles. Should I just gap and let them in the base?
It's up to you. They probably have regen hacks as well.
How did he hit me? Okay, buddy. Okay. Fuck this shit. Okay. Yeah. No. Fuck it. No, I'm running down. Fuck you guys. I'm gone. Fuck you, motherfucking cheap motherfucker.